Chinese leadership trying to bring in sanity and trying to bring in collectivism in the United Nations has a hope for the developing and countries and the smaller nations, that their voice can also be heard. So I believe that if they are united, they'll be able to safeguard their own interest and the interest of the world, because if the interests of the developing countries are taken care, it means that those are the interests of the world, because if poverty, backwardness and issues of education and health are taken care in the developing countries, I am sure that the developed nations will also benefit. We see a lot of development in the third world, and developing countries are also reaping the fruit of technological development and scientific research. And I think this is only because China is presenting options to the developing world, and now they can assess which country and which company and which policy safeguards their interest as well.